Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Valentine's Day folio project share to share with you guys. And this was just so fun to make. I haven't been doing a lot of Valentine's Day crafting and I needed to get some kind of Valentine's Day crafting done. So this was a lot of fun. As you guys could see all throughout this album, I also double matted. So I added in a black mat underneath my paper, which is the first time I've ever done that before on like a whole entire like folio album like this. Like that was a lot of work. Okay, maybe it wasn't the first time. I feel like I've done it before, but I don't do it often because it's like double the cutting for everything. Normally I just stick the paper right on. But this time I did do double matting and I feel like it's just like so sturdy. So I'm going to share with you guys the tutorial information and the paper that I used. So let's get right into the video and I'll share all of that with you guys. Also guys, before I get started, let me just mention that if you are interested in purchasing this folio, I do have it available in my Etsy shop. So I will have the link in the description box down below and you guys could check it out there. There's more photos there and whatnot, but you guys are also going to see the whole flip through. So just letting you know it is available. All right, so the collection that I used is from Echo Park and it's called Blowing Kisses. This was such a fun collection to work with. And I still have quite a few sheets of paper left. I think I have like 6 more sheets. I did get this from Tuesday morning, quite some time ago though, so I'm not sure. There's another scrap on my desk. It's Christmas. So I'm not quite sure if you'd be able to find it, but I will try to link it down below if I could find it online. Otherwise, if it's in your stash, maybe go through your stash. But this is the Echo Park Blowing Kisses collection. And yeah, so this is a trifold folio. And this is what it looks like on the front. I used one of the stickers from the sticker sheet, a cut apart, added some enamel dots here, got 2 different papers on the front. I even made this cute little like dangle charm thing with a flower on the bottom. It says love over here. I've got some wire wrapped beads all throughout. So pretty. And then the spine, the back, it's got my handmade with love sticker. And yeah. So when you open this up, it is magnetized closed with 3 magnets. There's one here and one here on top and bottom. And that's what that looks like. And then you open it up again and that's what the inside of the album looks like. It looks just so fun. So in the center here, I guess no, you know what? Let's do this side first. So here I added in a cut apart that says, I love you. I've got these like photo kind of closures here and I did add a brad in them, a red brad. So when you turn those, you're able to open this up and there's a cut apart here. It was a little short from the collection. I cut it exactly on the lines, but it was a little short. So I added in a strip down here and then this opens up one more time this way and that's magnetized and that opens up like this. Here I've got one of the stickers that says kissing booth and this cut apart here. I just matted that on some black, made it into a cute little tuck spot and there you go. There's a cute little cut apart. And then this flips open this way. Just part of the paper, this like rose decoration here. And then I have 2 pockets here. They're angled pockets and somehow guys, I wasn't even trying to do this because I didn't even think about it with the stripes, but somehow my stripes lined up and they were from 2 different parts of the paper. They weren't like side by side next to each other and somehow it lined up and I don't even know how that happened, but once I realized it, I was like, oh my goodness, thank goodness that happened because I didn't even think of that. So my stripes are pretty much lined up and I love it. So here I have a cut apart that says hello love. Just made this into like a little flip up. And you have some journal space here and you could add photos up here. Even if you want here, you could add a photo and then on the back if you want as well. So that lives in one of the pockets. And then the other pocket, I've got another one of the cut aparts that says XOXO. This one opens sideways with another journal space. And then just a scrap that I had with this heart paper, made a cute little like larger journaling space. And then it's just like a white photo mat on the back. So yeah, that's what the pocket looks like. Love that paper. It's just so pretty. So that goes back in there, and then this goes in here, and then this goes down here. All right, so then you close this up just like that. That magnetizes, and then you put your photo corners back on there. And then this part is the fun part, guys. So this, I used a scrappy from the paper and just made it into a little tuck spot right here on the front. And this is the cut apart that says Hugs and Kisses. Then this is magnetized and it flips down. And you can see there's more space to add a photo and whatnot. And then all of these flip up. So you've got plenty of space for journaling. And I photo matted, well, I matted these with like a different colored cardstock from my stash. And it's like a waterfall, like a cascading waterfall. So the pages get bigger. And then the last page is so fun. So that flips up like that. And there's a cute little pop-up kind of element in here. This says Cupid's Arrow, Love Company. There's a heart here, some envelopes. So it's very, very cute. Loved making this. It is a tutorial by Rosa Kelly, and I'll have it linked down below for you guys. But yeah, I love how this turned out. So cute. I've made a ton of these before, mostly like summer themed ones. And in the other ones I made, like I would add a journal here, like here. But this time I didn't have room for a journal because I double matted all throughout this whole entire folio. So you can see here, it's pretty like tight in there. I don't know if you guys could tell. So it's pretty tight. I wouldn't have had space for like a 1/4 inch gusset on a journal and then to include the journal in there. So I just didn't do that in here. But I still love how it turned out because this time I added a little dangle and everything, and I double matted, and it's just so pretty. So that is everything, guys. I will have the link to the tutorial down below. I will have the link to the collection if I could find it down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys have been Valentine's Day crafting in the description box down below and what you have been creating. I would love to know and maybe get inspired by you guys. If you guys are following any tutorials, please let me know. I'm always looking for more tutorials and inspiration. And that is everything. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.